destroyed the fucking tip. This stuff is as hard as bloody hell. God, this stuff's tough. But we'll get there. My bloody crook. I'll clean it up a bit. Fine feed. Whoa, you bastard of stuff. Bloody stuff. Jesus. Flipping thing. Ah. What? Bugger it. Here's my gloves. This is what you get when you get scrapyard steel and you haven't got a clue what it is. Now, I've machined this before and it's as hard as hell. And it can stream a like buggery. I got a 7-foot length of this stuff from a salvage yard, unused. God knows what it was used for. See, that was fine feed, that's just no good at all. It's just stream as to hell, so I have to go back to medium, which I was on. And then try not to bloody go in too deep with this stuff. Get a good finish if you can get the cutting gets right. This that blade, she's struggling. Whoa! Now we'll do a full pass and try and clean up the mess. Yeah, we're cooking. So yeah, look, fantastic when you get it right. This stuff is so hard you can't tap a thread in it. You can drill it, there's no way you can cut a thread in it. I've used this before. As you can see, it was rusty old stock, but you know, who knows what the hell it is. Well, we got there in the end. Trying to get that depth of cut and feed rate right was a real ordeal. This stuff was so finicky, you only had to be a little bit either way and it would just tear itself up. At the very, very beginning, I actually did have some nice coils coming off, but then I couldn't repeat the process. It's just so touchy and so hard, this stuff. I mean, it's incredible. I believe this came from a place that used to make semi-trailer axles and jinkers before it went to the salvage yard. And I mean, this could be something for a pivot pin or anything, who knows what the hell it is, but it's damn hard stuff to machine. But as you see, we got there, the end result is beautiful and it will do the job for what I want. So at the end of the day, yeah, machine junkyard still at your own peril, because you know, you are going into the realm of the unknown, and who knows what the hell's going to happen. Anyway, must be time for that beer now, and I hope you got something out of this, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.